Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two semicircles, as you can see in this diagram, such that the radius of this larger semicircle is 21 units along with its center O, whereas the radius for this smaller semicircle is 6 units along with its center P, and this tangent line AB is 36 units. And now we are going to find out how far apart are these two semicircles. In other words, we are going to find the value of x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Before we proceed any further, let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and make an observation. We know that this AB is our tangent line, and moreover this OA and PB are the radii of these semicircles. And now let's recall this circle theorem. According to this theorem, the angle between the radius and the tangent line will always be 90 degrees, as you can see in this diagram. So no wonder these angles are going to be 90 degrees each, according to this circle theorem. And since both of these angles are 90 degrees, so therefore both of these radii OA and PB are parallel to each other. And here's our next step. We have drawn this straight line EP that is parallel to this line AB, as you can see. And as a result, we get this parallelogram ABPE. Now we know that this angle is 90 degrees, so therefore this angle has got to be 90 degree as well, since they are corresponding angles. And since we are dealing with this parallelogram, so therefore this side length PB is going to be equal to this side length EA. If this side length is 6, this is going to be 6 units as well. And now we know that this whole length OA is 21 units, and this length EA is 6 units. So therefore this distance EO is going to be 21 minus 6 is going to give us 15 units. And moreover, in this parallelogram ABPE, this line distance is going to be equal to this line distance. If this is 36 units, this distance has got to be 36 units as well. And now we can see that this OC is the radius of this larger semicircle, and since this is 21 units, so that means OC distance is 21. And likewise, this DP is the radius of this smaller semicircle, and the radius of this smaller semicircle is 6, so therefore this DP is going to be 6 units as well. And moreover, we know that this distance CD is x, so therefore this whole distance OP is going to be the sum of these individual lengths, 21 plus x plus 6, so that would come out to be x plus 27. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this triangle OEP. We know its side lengths are OE equals to 15, EP is 36, and finally this length OP is x plus 27. And since this is a right triangle, so therefore we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find out the value of x. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. Let me go ahead and call this our longest leg as our side C. I'm gonna call this side A and this side B. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. A in our case 15, so this is going to become 15 square, plus B in our case is 36, so that means 36 square, and C in our case is x plus 27 whole square. Now let's take care of this thing. That is going to give us 225 plus 12 96 equals to, and now let's recall this famous identity, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We are going to apply it on the right hand side on this binomial. So that is going to give us x square plus 54x plus the square of 27 is 729. Now let's go ahead and subtract 1521 from both sides. This is gone. So therefore we are ended up with the x square plus 54x minus 792 equal to 0. And now we can see that this is our quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it by grouping and factoring. So therefore let's focus on this number 792, and here I have copied it down, and we can see that this 792 could be broken down into 36 times 22, and 36 could be written as 6 times 6, and this 22 could be written as 2 times 11. Therefore, if we rearrange, 6 times 11 is going to give us 66 times 6 times 2 is going to give us 12. And we can see the difference of these two numbers is going to give us 54. So therefore, this middle number 54x, we can tweak it as positive 66x minus 12x, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see x is in common between first two terms, and negative 12 is in common between last two terms. So therefore I can factor out x. It's going to give us x plus 66 minus 12. I'm going to factor out. It's going to give us x plus 66 equal to 0. And now we can see x plus 66 and x plus 66 in common. So therefore we can factor out x plus 66 times x minus 12 equal to 0. Since we got these two factors equal to 0, we can separate them. I can write x plus 66 equal to 0, and the other factor x minus 12 equal to 0. This first equation is going to give us x equal to negative 66, and this second equation is going to give us x equal to positive 12. And now we can see that x equal to negative 66 is not possible since x is the length. So therefore we are going to discard this x equal to negative 66 value, and we are going to accept this x equal to positive 12 value. So thus our distance x turns out to be 12 units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.